Ano sa imo ang mambukal?
Great. At the same time, so very nature.
Really?
Yeah.
Ano na feel mo sa pagligo mo sa sulfur?
Quite okay and much more relaxing than I was expecting of.
Si Michael, kilala mo, hindi?
Who is Michael? I don't know him.
Michael Chua? Hindi.
No, I have no idea about Michael Chua. Who is he?
Si Jay, ano mo?
He's my friend.
Really? Si
Yeah.
Francis Choi.
He is my close friend as well.
Buot man sa? Or ano?
Not so. Actually, he is not. He's
Bo?
quite crazy.
Bo? Lain mo, makabati galis Francis. Malain na buti si mo eh.
I guess so, but I'm not sure if you can hear me. Am I
Mm,
right?
I don't know. Maybe. Matsindihan niya man ka na goro ah.
Okay.
Wow,
So
namis ang ano.
see. She's got green eyes and she's about five blonde hair all down her back.
Nami, pa sa Bacolod, kay green na green pa no?
Okay.
Ng dress.
Special about that. She's a model and a natural. The ways of that
Ah,
clothes.
play.
This is life.
Wow.
This is wonderful. This is my dream.
Nami, isang boating?
Wow, very, very wow. Right?
Yes.
It's so cool.
Sulfur. Gaasong sulfur.
Baby.
Go.
Baby, I love you, boy, I can lay you to down. All the loving night can never be erased. And I promise you that
Tap ko na.
it's like